How's everybody doing? It's D'Angelo Hunt back again, Providence, Rhode Island. So what I'm doing right now, this is the second part of the two-part video series that I'm putting together. This example right here is called the power of two, and this is going to show you exactly how easy it is to grow your network marketing business when you're in a binary and you're working with a team that's willing to help you grow your business. So basically, when you join the company, now again, you can use this for any company. This is just you, but it has to be, your company has to be have a binary compensation plan. So basically, this is you. You have a left leg and a right leg. And your goal in your first month, now when you're working with me, Rob Jr., and the legendary Robert Hollis Sr., and you go through Robert Hollis's Fast Start training, you learn how to do this stuff. Some people are doing this in 1 day, 1 week, so on and so forth. But for this example, I'm just going to show you how to do this in 1 month, over a 12-month period, how you can change your life and grow your business. So basically, this is you. The goal is in your first month is to bring in 2 people, one on your left leg, one on your right leg. That is it. Then from there, you want to train them. Whatever your company teaches, you want to train them exactly what to do, word for word, step by step, following the system that your company has. In my company, working with the legendary Robert Hollis, he has his Fast Start training, which is by far the best around. But long story short, you want to bring in your left and your right leg. From there, after they're trained, the goal is to get them near 2 people as fast as possible. So now they got their 2 people. Now this is the second month. Now you went from having 2 people, now you have 4. Train them, the same thing, and it grows again. Now they got their 2 people, and it starts exploding. Now you have 8 people under you. From there, it just keeps on duplicating. It goes from 8, 16, 32. The next month, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1,024, 2,048, 4,096 satisfied customers by the end of 12 months. Now with this example, let's just say, now every company and compensation plan is different, but for this example, let's just say you only made $5 off of every single last person that came in. Let me just show you how powerful this is, and this is why it's called the power of 2. So long story short, your first month, each person that comes in, the company pays you $5, right? So now after 1 month, you made $10. Now in the real world, you made more than $10, depending on how your compensation plan works. But I'm just showing just how powerful this is if this is all you made. Now no company only pays that. It's always a lot more than that. But now after 2 months, you have $20. 3 months, you're up to $40 a month. This is residual income. RI, residual income. Now, the next month, now you're at $80. Every month, you're getting a check for $80. The next month, $160. And then it just keeps on exploding. And I wrote it down because I don't want to mess this up and forget how it breaks down. But the next month, you're at $320 a month. The next month, $640, all from just 2 people coming in, train them, and then 2 more keep coming in. $640, $1,280, $2,560, $5,120. You get what's going on? $10,240. After 12 months in, just by bringing in 2 people, training them correctly, and helping them get their 2 people, with this $5 example, you would be making $20,480 a month residual income. That's the power of 2. When you're working with my team, I work directly with, again, the legendary Robert Hollis. When you're working with our team, we help this happen. We help you do this. We help you make this happen. If you're not with my team, with my company, so on and so forth, that's great. You can use this for any company. It doesn't change. Again, my name is D'Angelo Hunt, signing off, Providence, Rhode Island. If there's anything I can do to help you, I'm only a phone call or an email away. You can also click the link on the bottom of this video. The link is mylastsystem.com. And when you click that link, that's how you get in contact with me, get in contact with the legendary Robert Hollis. And if you want to join our team, that's how you can join our team. And we're going to have Bunch of training videos coming soon. Robert Hollis has everything you could possibly need to become very successful and make life-changing money and help change people's lives. Take care and God bless.